Hi everyone, Pete here. Today I'm going to show you how to configure zone modes on the LogiFire 118 panel. Let's get started. First, enter the panel menu by navigating to System, then Programming, and finally Zones. Here you will see the zone number. You can use the plus button to locate the required zone or press the actual number to select the zone, followed by OK. The default zone mode will be set to Normal. By selecting the word Normal, you can change the zone mode to 2 devices or double. Selecting 2 devices will set the first activated device in that zone and panel as pre-alarm. If a second device in that zone is activated, it will generate a general fire alarm. Selecting double will set a single device and the panel to pre-alarm. The LED will come on, then turn off. The device and panel will stay in pre-alarm mode for 4 minutes and 15 seconds. If no action is taken within this time, the panel and device will reset. Pressing the reset function will stop any active zone mode. And that's how you configure zone modes on the LogiFire 118 panel. Thanks for watching and happy programming.